Hello and welcome back to our channel. And this session we will be focusing on the art of efficient note taking. Today we will share some of the tips and tricks that can help PhD student or anyone who are in research. And to make things even easier, we will introduce you 7 apps and tools that can enhance your note taking game. But first let's see why is note taking so important, especially in the PhD and in research sector. Well, for the beginner, taking good notes can help you remember important information, stay focused during lectures or reading, organize your thoughts and ideas, prepare for the exams and papers, collaborate with peers and professors, and much more. So without further ado, let's dive into our tips. Firstly, try to make your notes in your own language. So one of the most efficient way is to take note which uses symbol, diagram, flow charts. So instead of writing therefore, you can use its symbol, or instead of writing in conclusion, you can use its symbol. Similarly, instead of writing a full important paragraph, you can summarize into the flow diagram, maybe in a diagram, table, or flow chart. The second, use bullet point and headings. Breaking your notes into smaller chunks using bullet point and heading can help you organize your idea and make it easier to review them later. The third is focus on the key ideas and the concept. Don't try to write down everything you hear or read. Instead, focus on the main ideas, key concept, and important detail that are relevant to your research or study. Take notes actively. Instead of just copying what you see or hear, try to engage with the material by asking questions, summarizing, paraphrasing, or connecting it to the other topic you have already learned. It is also a good habit to use color and highlighters. Adding some color to your notes can make them more visually appealing and help you remember certain information or categories. You can use highlighters, pen, digital tool to achieve these effects. Review and revise your note. Taking note is not enough if you don't review and revise them later. Make sure to go over your notes regularly, clarify unclear points, and update them with new information or insight. Finally, don't be afraid to try new apps, tool, or format that can enhance your note-taking experience. We have compiled a list of 7 apps and tools that we recommend to the PhD student and researcher. But feel free to explore other options as well that suits your needs and preferences. So here are the list of 7 apps and tools for efficient note taking. The number one is Evernote. It's a versatile note-taking app that allows you to organize your notes by notebook, tags, and keyword. You can also add audio, images, and web clipping to your notes and sync them across multiple devices. The another option is OneNote, a Microsoft app that offers a similar range of features as Evernote, but with the focus on collaboration and integration with other Microsoft tools. The third one is Notion. It's a comprehensive productivity app that can be used for taking note, task management, project planning, and more. Notion offers a wide range of template and customization options as well as integration with other apps and services. You can also try Roam Research, a note-taking app that uses unique system of interconnected blocks that allow you to link and reference your notes in a non-linear way. Roam Research is particularly useful for academic research and knowledge management. The another example is Zotero, a reference management app that helps you collect, organize, and cite your sources. Zotero can automatically extract metadata from web pages and PDFs and generate citation and bibliography in various styles. You can also try Google Keep, a simple and intuitive note-taking app that allows you to create notes. Google Keep also sync with your Google account, so you can access your note from anywhere and share them with the others. You can also try MindNode, a mind mapping app that allows you to create visual diagram of your notes and ideas. You can add text, image, links, and note to each node and organize them into branches and sub-branches. I hope you have liked the information. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.